Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are designing in Fusion again. We're doing more CAD, and this time we're going to design some wheels, which won't be that hard. They're just tiny wheels. They're going to be 2.5 inches in diameter. They're for something I'm making for engineering, and I thought I might as well make a video on it. So let's get started. So I already named it and saved it. It's already called wheels. So let's make a sketch. We're just going to use a circle tool. 2.5. This one's going to be a very short video. It's not going to be that long. I will show you how to use the 3D printer though. I'm going to do that. And then we need a rectangle. Put that in the center. It's going to be 0.125 tab by 0.125, so it's an eighth of an inch. And then we will just extrude that, and then it will be done. Very simple. I got to print out two of these for the front of a car. That was too thin. How thick did I make that? I think that's 0.1. Yeah. Luckily, we can just go back. It's 0.25. There we go. Yep. Here's the wheel. That was it. We're gonna export it as an STL file. So please scroll down, and then it will pop up. Export, open in location. I already have a slicing software for 3D printing. So if you don't know what a slicing software is, a slicing software, sorry, a slicing software is what makes, so a slicing software slices the STL file, standard tessellated language. I think that's what STL stands for. I think so. It might not be right, but I think that's what it is. Standard tessellated language or something like that. But it switches it from STL to G code, and G code is what my 3D printer uses. So you can see it just has this logo on it. This is my slicing software. It's called Cura, and the computer automatically knows it's going to go into there. So I just double click it and we'll open it in Cura, which I also have down here pinned. After it does that, I'll show you how to slice it and stuff. Yeah. Oh, I don't have the thumb drive with me. I'll have to get that. It takes forever to load. Please load. Yeah. So we'll use Cura, and it will make it pretty easy. It makes it almost really easy to slice. This one's gonna be super easy. It's gonna take it's gonna take 2 hours, which seems really long, but I bet it will. Why are you not? Oh, there you go. Okay. Nope, wrong thing. Here we go. Opened. Look at that. We're in Cura right now. See how it's on the build plate? We need two of those, so we'll print two at the same time. We'll multiply it by 1, hit OK. There you go. I want these to be arrange all that's terrible. Can I not? Okay. Oh, wrong thing. I just want them in the middle. I know it's not perfect, but it's fine. And then we'll hit slice. Everything's good. I'll tell you what all these mean. Oh, it's only going to take 2 hours for this. That's nice. Okay, so here, this is not custom. This is like what's recommended. This is standard quality. I don't need super quality or dynamic quality. That's fine with standard. I could do low quality, but I prefer standard. But yeah, these are quick settings. And fill density, that's how much material is actually in it. This is only 20%, so it's actually kind of hollow on the inside with like crosses. This one, what is this actually? Show custom. Let's see what the infill is. The infill, I have it on grid. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. I can show it with you on the preview. But yeah, this is pretty much all you need unless you have something special. Shell thickness, I never changed that. Supports on is on, but there's no supports needed, and adhesion is on, so we'll stick to the bed easier. I use a Ender 3, not an Ender 3 Pro, just an Ender 3. They're super cheap 3D printers, but they do the job that they need to do. So yeah, right here it says it's going to take 2 hours and 20 minutes. That's actually very short. That's a short time. So we'll show you what the inside looks like. So this is the preview. Over here is a bar that shows you the layers. There's only 32 layers in this whole thing. That's nice. As you go down, you can see there's a grid inside, and it's not completely solid. Yeah, that's nice. So that will be nice. Okay. I grabbed the USB, and now down here it says save to removable drive. Save it, eject, and now I'm gonna go and I'll show you how to plug it into the 3D printer and how that works. So yeah. Okay, everybody. So here's a 3D printer. It's an Ender 3. I have two of them. That one's broken. I'm using black PLA filament. I don't know where it's from. Just random filament. So I'm gonna put the SD card in the bottom here. Oh, it's also a really big mess. I forgot to clean it. So yeah. Now to the control panel. We're gonna print it. So we hit the button. We scroll down till we get print from media. Print wheels. Print. And then we kind of just wait till it turns on. It's gonna heat up, and yeah, don't know what else. It just heats up. It shows you right here all the things. It says how long it's gonna take. 16 hours is not right. It's 22 hours is not right. It's not right. Bed heating, yeah. It's gonna start in a second. It takes a little bit to heat up completely. This needs to get to 200 degrees Celsius. The nozzle, the bed has to get to 50. As you can see, it's already at 33. It's pretty warm. I have a magnetic bed on here, so I can take it off really easily. Also, I have a light. Don't do that. Don't rub your hand on any 3D printer bed. It's actually not good for it. But I have a light coating of glue to help the print stick. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like these 3D printers a lot. They're really cheap compared to a lot of newer 3D printers. The one I really want to get, though, the newer 3D printer, is the Bambu Labs, either, I think, PI or it's a PI, and there's also a Bambu Labs X1 Carbon. Oh my gosh, those are the coolest 3D printers ever. I want to get one so bad. Cannot wait till when those prices drop from $1,500 to much cheaper so I can buy one. Yeah. Let's start 3D printing in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's heated up and it's now moving. It's homing itself to make sure it's in the right place. There's a nozzle at the bottom there. It's gonna start printing filament. Right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Is it good? I'm just making sure. Sorry, it's not in the thing. I just need to make sure it's printing. Okay, it is. It just extrudes plastic in a line. Molten PLA, polylactic acid is the filament I'm using, PLA. It's a low temperature melting one, and it's just good for prototyping and stuff. That's what I'm doing. I'm just making some small wheels. So yeah, I'll show you guys when it's done. And yeah. Okay guys, so the 3D printer is almost done. You can see, maybe. It's just doing the one last layer there. It's really close to done. And then we can take it off the build plate. Yeah. You gotta wait. This is the worst part. I hate waiting. Yeah, I didn't really tell you why I designed the wheels like this. So that square hole in the middle is for a Vex axle. I think it's a Vex V5 is the type of Vex we're using. But they didn't have the right size wheels, so I had to make my own. yeah. And they're just super light wheels compared to the heavy ones they have. Oh, see, it's done now. And it slides off. Then you can lift it up. Take a spatula. Sorry to do with one hand. Yeah, guys, look at that. We got the wheel done. And the other wheel done. Yay! Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. That was another CAD/3D printing video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.